I absolutely love backwards shoulder rolls. If you are just starting your journey in learning backwards shoulder rolls, I share some basic tips to help you get started. I'm going to roll over my left shoulder, so I'm going to look in that direction. My hands are palm down, going to a plow. The closer your feet can be to the floor, the better. They don't need to be touching, but it will be easier if they are, or the closer they are, the easier. I'm going to bend my left knee, same as my shoulder, and I do move my right hand as I do it. I look behind me and then up. I'll do from the side so you can see the back hand. Okay, going over my left shoulder, left leg bends, this hand moves like that. Some simple variations include a straight leg version. That's simply where your legs stay straight. A really pretty version is backwards scorpion roll. So going over my left shoulder, my left leg is going to go down, my right leg up. And that can be done with the right leg bending like I just did, or it can stay straight. And a fun one is a backwards roll into a shelf split. So like the simple version where I'm going one bent knee, one straight knee, like this one, instead of the straight leg going down, it then goes onto my arm into a shelf split. So a little bit faster. Remember, practice makes perfect. You got this.